Does what we believe and practice in different religious traditions make a difference in terms of the quality of life in the spiritual world? The Golden Rule is said to be the principle that governs the spirit world. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. People who truly practice the religion of love will find themselves in a universal sphere where everyone understands that true religion is to love others as ourselves, people with the same kind of heart and capacity for love. The most difficult thing for a person who has been deeply immersed in a particular religious tradition is to realize that it is not just the form that elevates a person, but the heart. However, those who cling to an external form of religion will feel more comfortable with others who practice the same rituals, whatever they may be. In this sense, congregations may continue to be centered on the particular religious traditions they practiced when they were on earth. In any case, religion is just a means created by God to bring fallen man back to himself. But in the higher levels of God in the spiritual world, there is no religion whatsoever because one has developed on earth, thanks to the returning Messiah, the ability to interact and relate directly with God. The levels where people continue to live religiously are still intermediate levels of the spiritual world, not close to hell, but not close to the kingdom of heaven either. Adam and Eve communicated directly with God. There was no religious form or worship of any religious figure in the ideal of God and in the Garden of Eden, but only a relationship free of rituals and forms of worship, directly with God.